DJI Mavic Air Fly More Combo Onyx Black. The DJI Mavic Air Fly More Combo Onyx Black is a small yet powerful drone that turns the sky into your creative canvas easily and without worry, helping you make every moment an aerial moment. Its compact size hides a high degree of complexity that makes it one of DJI's most sophisticated flying cameras ever. 24 high-performance computing core, an all-new transmission system with a 4.3 miles (7 kilometers) range, 4 vision sensors and a 4K camera stabilized by a 3-axis mechanical gimbals are at your command with just a push of your thumb or a tap of your finger. Inside the Mavic's pocket-sized remote controller is DJI's brand new OcuSync transmission technology with a range of 4.3 miles (7 kilometers) and full HD 1080x720p video streaming. When you know what's in front of you, you won't bump into it. The same is true of the Mavic. Using flight autonomy, it can see obstacles as far away as 49 feet, 15 meters in front, so that it can fly at up to 22 miles per hour, 36 kilometers per hour while avoiding the things it sees. Flight autonomy technology mean the Mavic can hover precisely in more environments and automatically land almost exactly where you took off. Why fly for 10 or 15 minutes when you can fly for up to 27 minutes? The Mavic is the only drone of its size to carry away an integrated high-precision 3-axis mechanical camera stabilization system, giving you crystal-clear photos and smooth videos without losing a single pixel. When you have a 4K sensor, you expect 4K results without compromises. Every shoot you take with the Mavic Pro can be up to 4K, captured at 30 FPS. You will never need a film crew when you fly the Mavic because all you need is active track. Just tell it who to track and it handles the rest, making you shoot like a pro. Traces to follow behind or in front of your subject or circle it as it moves. Profile to fly alongside your subject. Spotlight keeps the camera trained on your subject while you fly almost anywhere. Features 3-axis gimbal camera. The portable Mavic Air houses a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.